Hello everybody. I hope all are doing great. And a very happy Devi Sharan Navratri to each and everyone. And a very happy Dashra in advance to each and everyone out there. And thank you so much for your support. Thank you. And today I came up with a very important topic, how to control anger. And it's a $1,000,000 question, right? And we all know the tips and tricks how to control our anger. But still, we can't. And I'm talking about the realistic factor, really speaking, practically we can speak. Controlling anger is a bit difficult thing, but not impossible. Everything is possible if you think. Right? So let's dive into today's story. Once the man, want to drive to the other country because of his office work purpose. And he waited for the taxi so much of time and he tired like anything. So, and it's a very peak time. So taxis are coming and going, coming and moving. So finally one taxi arrived and this person get into and he moved on. And he shown his complete anger and frustration on that taxi driver by saying, "Are you a bullock cart driver before? Why are you not moving fastly? I am feeling anger. I am feeling frustration here. Are you not feeling my frustration? Why are you not moving fast?" And like this, he used some hard words and he hurted that person. This person became very cool now, right? For example, I am telling, if you get anger, what will you do? You should focus that anger. You should show that anger on some other person. Then only you will get cool down, right? So in the same way, that person also done. And the taxi driver not replied anything. He just smiled and moved on. And on the way, one truck came before to this car, and it's completely the fault of the truck driver. And on the other hand, the truck driver using some abusive language and some ugly language, using some bad words, and he hurted this taxi driver. But here also this person not at all replied. He simply smiled and he moved on. And this passenger, this man, observing everything, what is going on, why this person is not getting anger, what he is observing, why this taxi driver is not getting anger, because I shown my anger on him and the truck driver, simply there is no fault of taxi driver, but still he shown so much of anger. But why this person is not getting anger? So finally he reached to the airport and he get down, he paid the amount to the taxi driver, and he can't control without asking. And he opened up and he asked to that guy, "My dear bro, why you are not getting anger? How was it possible? Because I shown my anger on you, and that most important, the truck driver shown anger on you. More than that, that is not your fault, but still you bared. Why you are not getting anger? What is the secret? I want to know. Please let me know. Why you are not getting anger? How was it possible?" So that taxi driver replied, "Yes, sir." Again, he given one small smile, one little smile again, and he told, "Yes, sir. In my point of view, anger is the garbage. Anger is the dust. How much you keep on putting dust, it becomes a big basket, a big dustbin, right? So in the same way, anger is also. If you show for small things more anger, your mind will be filled with anger, and that is the dustbin. Finally, the outcome is you are the sufferer, nobody else. If you get anger, you are the sufferer. As there is one saying, your anger is your own enemy, and your peace is your own protection, right? So be protected to you with the peace, with the love, with the harmony, not with anger, right? So in the same way, this person shown and told that, so I don't want to put all those garbage into my mind. So that's why I habituated just simply smiling. Not a more big deal, just simply smile. And it changes your life and as well as the other person's life. And most importantly, what we can learn from this person is, as most importantly, this person is the inspirator for us. He is the inspiration, right? And one more thing I want to add here is the other person who is very valuable to you, right? But when you are in anger, you can't control yourself. You will use abuse language, you will use bad words, whatever will come into your mind, you will use at that point of time. But after some time, you will feel so much of guilt. You feel so bad. It's very common, right? So, in the same way, don't be like a passenger, like that man. Be like a taxi driver. Always be cool, be calm, spread love, spread positivity. Just simply one small smile changes your life and as well as changes the other person's life too. Right? Once you slipped your tongue, you can't get back. So take care of your tongue, take care of your words, use very wisely. Use your tongue, use your words very wisely. And the person who controls anger at that point of time is the best out of the best, and he's awesome, the person, right? Will you agree with me? Right? Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. And I want your support, your blessings always. And finally, most importantly, a very happy Dashara in advance. Thank you so much.